Hi everyone, I'm Sun Sing. Today we are touring a spacious 5-room flat here at the peak at Toa Payoh, one of the most sought after projects in central Singapore. With its prime location, high floor view and modern design, this unit is a rare find. Let's dive in. Fly! As you enter, you're welcomed into a bright and spacious living room. This 5-room flat spans approximately 117 square meters or 125 square feet, providing ample space for families. The practical rectangular layout offers the flexibility to design your living and dining areas to suit your lifestyles. Thanks to its high floor position, the home is filled with excellent natural lights and large circulation space, providing good ventilation, creating an airy, refreshing, and comfortable environment. This is the highlight of the home, the master bedroom balcony. Step outside and be greeted by an expansive, unblocked view of the city skyline. Imagine waking up to this panorama every morning or unwinding after a hard day work, soaking in the evening amidst the city light. The dining area is conveniently adjacent to the living room. The enclosed kitchen is well sized, offering generous countertop and storage space, a practical and functional setup for families who love to cook. The adjoining service yard is perfect for laundry and additional storage. There's even soft closing cabinets built in for your convenience. The master bedroom can comfortably accommodate a king-size bed with space for wardrobes and a dresser. Both common bedrooms are also generously sized, making them perfect for children, guests, or even a home office. A key advantage is that these bedrooms are significantly more spacious than those in many newer BTO projects, giving you greater flexibility in your layout. This unit includes 2 bathrooms, an ensuite in the master bedroom and a common bathroom. Both are well maintained, feature modern fittings, and offer potential for easy upgrades. Braddell and Toa Payoh MRT stations are both nearby, providing direct access to the North-South line. Multiple bus services from Lorong 1A also offer seamless connectivity across Singapore. There is also Caldecott interchange, which connects and stretches to the TL leading to the airport soon. Toa Payoh Central is just minutes away, featuring Toa Payoh Hub, an NTUC fair price, and countless eateries. Junction H in Bishan is also 1 MRT stops away. The estate is within 1 kilometer of popular primary schools like Pei Chin Public School, Keng Cheng School, and CHIJ Primary and Secondary. Renowned secondary schools and junior college, including Raffles Institution, Raffles Girls, and Marymount Convent, are also easily accessible. For leisure, the scenic Toa Payoh Town Park and the Toa Payoh Swimming Complex are nearby, providing excellent green spaces and sports facilities. To summarize, this home offers a spacious 5-room layout, approximately 117 square meters, a high floor with a stunning unblocked city view from the master balcony, a practical and flexible layout with bright, airy rooms, a prime location in a mature estate with excellent connectivity, proximity to a full suite of amenities including shopping, dining, schools, and parks. If you are looking for a spacious, well-located flat with a view that's truly one of its kind, this 5-room flat at the peak at Toa Payoh could be the perfect home for you. I'm Sun Singh. Call me for a private viewing and I'll be happy to show you more. Thanks for watching and see you soon.